Welcome to the Instant Chart Maker. Instant Chart Maker is a chart template that's part of our data visualization toolkit. It will help you create instant, simple, and effective charts in Microsoft Excel. With our Instant Chart Maker template, you can enter your own data and create instant charts in Microsoft Excel. You can adjust the number of rows in the data to suit your specific business needs and instantly see the chart get updated, reflecting your data. Now you can copy this chart and paste it in another application if you would like Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also paste the chart in an email, go with the insights to make the email a lot more effective. This is a very quick way to create charts for instant use. Save time today by creating effective charts instantly using the Instant Chart Maker template. We intend the Instant Chart Maker template to be the one-stop solution for all your charting needs in Microsoft Excel. You do not have to go online, search for how to create these charts anymore. We will bring all the charts to this template. We are starting with 32 charts and will be adding more every month. As a customer, we will email all new charts to you every month as we add them. If you're looking for a chart and it's not already there, please email us and we'll be happy to add it as soon as possible. If you're looking for new ways to present your data, check out our charts in the Instant Chart Maker template. We have tons of different ideas that we have implemented into our charts. You'll be able to create these charts instantly and present your data in unique ways to make them more powerful and actionable, and thus making a difference in your business and project. Just because these are chart templates does not mean that you're restricted when it comes to formatting. You can instantly change the colors and the fonts by applying your own theme to all the charts. In addition, we have detailed articles explaining how you can modify every element of the formatting for these charts. But what if you already have the data in another Excel file and you want to create these charts based on that data? No problem. We give you each of our charts in its chart template format, so you can import them into the templates folder in your computer, and that will allow you to create those charts in any of the Excel files that you have. Just select the data you want to create the chart out of, go to Insert and find the templates folder, and inside the templates folder choose the template or the chart that you want to create and apply. And that is how easy it is for you to create new, effective, simple, beautiful Excel charts out of your own data, and you can reuse this any number of times in any number of Excel files. So for you to create these charts, you're only seconds away from any Excel file in your computer. And finally, we have our dedicated support portal where you will find articles and videos and tutorials with screenshots which explain how you can get the most out of each of these charts. We have a dedicated article for each chart explaining how you can modify the formatting, how you can save them as a template and reuse, and more. And if you have any further questions, you can always email us at support@indzara.com and we will respond to all questions within one business day. That is our promise to you as a customer. This is just the first version of the template. We'll be adding more charts every month. If you would like to know more details about the charts that are included, please check out our product page. I'll be adding the link in the video description below. If you have any questions, please email us at support@indzara.com. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching. See you soon.